Welcome back, Guy. Today's video is going to show you how to fix iPhone unavailable and unlock your own iPhone without passcode. Alright, if your iPhone is showing iPhone unavailable or security lockout and you can't get in because you forgot the passcode, don't worry. Stick to the video till the end and figure out 3 proven ways for iPhone unavailable fix, with or without a computer. Before we start, keep in mind why this happens. iPhone unavailable message appears after too many passcodes have been entered incorrectly. This is Apple's security feature designed to prevent unauthorized access. The iOS device will temporarily lock by multiple failed passcode attempts with incremental waiting time, letting you try again to unlock iPhone in 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 3 hours, and 8 hours. If you input the wrong passcode 10 times, the device becomes locked out permanently, with the screen displays iPhone unavailable no timer. No matter how the unavailable screen looks like, if you completely forget the passcode, the only way to unlock an unavailable iPhone is to erase and reset the device, which deletes all data and settings including the repeatedly entered passcode that disabled your iPhone. Apple understands that is a bad experience, and for a remedy, it gives us a chance to restore the iPhone from a previous backup after the reset. So, if you have a backup made before the iPhone unavailable lockout triggered, simply restore your data. This way, you'll be at the minimal cost while resolving iPhone unavailable error. Let's begin. The very first method to unlock iPhone unavailable is to erase it wirelessly using the Forgot Passcode option in iOS 17 and newer version. It's formerly called Erase iPhone if you're using iOS 15.2 and up to iOS 16. But both options are the good fix to unlock iPhone unavailable. Try again without a computer or iTunes. You will find it at the bottom of the locked screen after entering the incorrect passcode 4 times or more. To make the Forgot Passcode option reset your iPhone, be sure that Find My iPhone feature is enabled before it's locked, and your device is connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data network. You'll also need to know your Apple account information. Okay, to begin reset your unavailable iPhone, tap Forgot Passcode option. Then, tap Start iPhone Reset. All content and settings will be erased to be able to unlock the iPhone passcode. If you have previously kept iCloud backup or computer backup, you can restore your data after this process finishes. The next step is to enter your Apple account password that's linked to the iPhone. Then, tap Erase iPhone to trigger the wireless reset. If you're using eSIM, you can choose whether to keep your eSIM or delete it. Sit back and wait for a moment to let your iPhone reset itself. When done, it should reboot at the Hello screen, meaning that iPhone unavailable message has been removed successfully along with the lock screen passcode. You can now unlock your iPhone without a passcode, and follow the instructions to set up the device from the scratch and restore it from a backup if you have one. What if you encounter iPhone unavailable no erase option? How do you unlock an iPhone that keeps saying unavailable and seems locked out forever? No worries, here come to method 2, using Higospot iPhone Unlocker on a PC or a Mac. The dedicated software is designed to unlock iPhone when the passcode is forgotten, and recover the iPhone whose screen shows iPhone unavailable, security lockout, or iPhone is disabled. It works by resetting the iPhone to its factory settings and erasing the passcode, lock screen as well as any other existing data. If you're interested in, feel free to click the download link in the description section under this video. Alright, let's see how iPhone Unlocker tool fixes iPhone unavailable if you can't remember the password and enter the wrong one too many times. First, open the tool on the computer. Then on the main interface, choose Wipe Passcode, and click Start button. Next, connect your unavailable iPhone to your computer using a lightning cable. Since it's locked and cannot be recognized, the software will prompt you to put the device into recovery mode. The exact steps are varied depending on which iPhone model you're using. Once your iPhone is in recovery mode, check the device information. Then, hit the Start button. The utility starts downloading the most suitable firmware for the device. Keep your device connected. This will take a couple of minutes to complete the software download. When that's done, you guys will see a dialog box with the warning message that bypassing iPhone unavailable or unlocking the iPhone passcode you have forgotten requires a factory reset, and thus you'll lost all data. To confirm this, enter 4 zeros in the field, and then hit the Unlock button. iPhone Unlocker begins erasing your unavailable iPhone, and eventually, the device will be unlocked. You can then set up the phone from the scratch, and restore it from an available backup to get back your data. Another offline reset option is Apple's iTunes or Finder. This works if you'd like to open an unavailable iPhone with no erase option or no timer. Like Higospot iPhone Unlocker mentioned above, the process involves placing the iPhone that's locked into recovery mode, and then taking advantage of the restore option to reset the unavailable device and its passcode. No internet connection is needed. To do this, turn off the iPhone as we did normally. Wait a few seconds to make sure it turns off completely. Then, boot the unavailable iOS device into recovery mode. This requires both cable connection and a certain button press based on your phone model. If you have an iPhone 10 or later, a second generation or later iPhone SE, iPhone 8 or 8 Plus, connect the iPhone to your computer, and at the same time, press and keep holding the side button until the recovery mode screen appears, represented by a cable and a computer. For iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, after powering it off, plug the device into the computer, and press and hold the volume down button until you see the recovery mode screen. For iPhone SE first generation, iPhone 6s or earlier, attach it with computer and press and hold down the home button. When the recovery mode screen shows up, release the button. By far, your iPhone gets into recovery mode, allowing you to unlock the unavailable screen due to too many incorrect passcode guesses. Now come back to your computer. iTunes or Finder will now automatically open up. If not, launch it manually. Here, I use iTunes on a Windows 10 computer, and the iPhone restoring steps are mostly the same with Finder on Mac. As you can see, a dialog box prompts you to update or restore your iPhone. For an iPhone unavailable unlock, the only way is to do a factory reset. So, we go ahead to click the restore option. Note that, if you click the update option, the lockout can be solved and your device's screen will end up showing iPhone unavailable, try again or no countdown timer. Proceed to click on the update and restore option, and follow the prompts to get the reset process to begin. iTunes or Finder is downloading the latest version of iOS on the device. You can check this via the progress bar at the top of the window, and once the download is done, iTunes will restore iPhone to factory settings. While it's resetting, you should an Apple logo and progress bar running on the phone screen. Do not operate the device during the process. When done, iTunes also reminds you that your iPhone has been erased and restored. All done, iPhone starts fresh. You've managed to fix iPhone unavailable and regain access. Go through the setup procedure, including connect to Wi-Fi, create a new passcode, and restore an iPhone backup if you have one. You'll also need to sign into your Apple account to activate all functionalities of the device. See, your unavailable iPhone should be unlocked and ready to use again. I know seeing that iPhone unavailable screen can be frustrating, but hopefully, this walkthrough made the fix straightforward. If this video saved your day, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy to follow tech solutions. Got a question or another tip? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.